Good job, Aaron.
Biranik niya yung ano, no? Ito may bolo dito sa taas.
Ano mo nga?
Mukhang kunin niya, balik.
Seryoso na. Mukhang mainit na.
Kakakbuhan na. Ito nang marunong ko, no?
Mainit na, man. Mainit na laban. Bang bang, chika bang.
Sakay. Isang buwan.
Pinractice kanina. Habang break.
Okay.
Hindi rin.
Ganit eh. Ay, ito pala ito yung marunong.
Ang kamo. Yan, malaki.
Naglalaro na ba talaga?
Nakita ko nung maglaro yun. He's alright. Pandilig. Tira.
Tira.
Sabay tayo dun ah.
Ay, wala si Phil. Hindi naglaro. 2 games na.
Dito titira yung si Phil sa green.
Oo, wala na. Ay, wonder one.
Tira yan. Mike. Rebound by Eric. Eric. Pass it to Dwight. Dwight trying to shoot for 3. No shot. Number 7 rebound. Pass it to Alex. Alex process. Drives in. He got fouled by Melvin. Fouled by Melvin. Oh, never mind. We'll give it to Eric. Foul, Eric.
Tawag dito. Dapat pala nagko-commentator na parang hindi mo na panoorin. Pakinggan mo na lang.
Ano? Ito na nga. Ano yung na nga. Ayoko lang naririnig yung boses ko.
Nangirita ka sa board mismo, no? 53 all. 53 ka rin.
First shot, good. Hindi ko naman kailangan yung points eh. Saan ko na lang yun. Second out by Eric. Pass it to Jed. Jed trying to make a move. He's gonna shoot it. Maybe not. Maybe yes. Oh, look at that move. And he turns it over. Pag-asal. MJ, dribbling the ball. MJ. Pass it to 23. And he was like, rebound by Ralph. Ooh, crossed by Jed. That was ugly, but still made it. Pretty ugly.
Jake! Dalawa lang tayo.
Diyan sapatos ko nga pala, boy.
Hello.
By the way.
Sabi ko kasi nung dito.
Ayun nga lang. Foul, Melvin. What's his name?
Okay.
No. Planete. Planete?
Hindi pa yan.
Galing na ito mag-rebound last week eh.
Planete yun. Ba? Nakita niya yun.
23 traveled. Ralph taking it out. Passing it to Eric. Eric was thinking about passing the ball. I guess not. Eric passes to Dwight.
15!
Dwight fake shoot. He drives in. He rebounds the ball. And somebody fouled him. Either 23 or 13. There you go.
23, man. Ilan na yung points na? 57? $58-54. Nakita naman pala dyan, eh.
Alex Martin.
Alex Martin, mate.
Cross pass it.
10 seconds.
Deflected by Dwight. Yeah.
Na-deflect ba?
Deflected.
6 seconds.
5, 4, 3, 2. Pass it to Dwight.
60-54.
We saw that on the camera. They're hugging each other.
Last 5 minutes.
When number 11 shoots. Rebound by Melvin. Melvin pushing it. Oh, stolen by Alex Martin, fouled by Melvin. Juan is trying to sub in.
Yes.
Okay. Ralph backing it up. Pass it to Jed. Jed pass it to Dwight. Dwight's thinking about passing, but he shot it. Oh my gulay. Alex Martin. Martin. What a drive. No foul. No foul. Rebound by Ralph.
4 minutes.
Oh. In your face, Dwight. Oh, almost had him.
Ten seconds. Dapat tingin lang. Woohoo! 61-60 in favor of Lifeguard.
What a shot. Mr. Alex Martin. Eric. Rebound by Dwight. No. Rebound by Ralph. Ralph shot. Court. And he got the roll. What they call roll.
Honor roll.
Kahit apat na kayo, okay lang. Loko mo naman ako. Money. Whoa. Bakit nag-blurry? Blurry. McFlurry, Berry.
15. 10. 9. Never mind. 64-61 ba?
Dwight was Johnny on the spot.
Nakakamp lang sa ilalim eh.
Rebound by Dwight. Dwight trying to push the ball. Oh, foul.
Last 2 minutes.
Brought to you by Hinebra.
San Miguel Beer.
Kuya, ano ka pangalan mo?
Pangalan lang. Pagka may kulang sabihin niyo sa akin para malagyan natin. Sab?
Mamaya. MJ.
Ilan yan?
Assist 2. Assist by Mr. Martin. Living La Vida Loca.
Patay.
Look at that.
Ito.
Money. What a shot by Alex Martin.
Bye.
Woo! Down on blue 15. Found blue 15. Who's 15? I don't see 15.
13.
Oh, I mean 15. Sorry.
Init ka ng ulo.
Nagalit ka agad si Mara. Try naman.
Moody.
Yes.
15 seconds.
Last shot. 10 seconds.
Ay, puta na.
9, 8, 5, 4, 3,